This is my secret to soothing overworked muscles and joints using all natural ingredients. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to turn natural ingredients into natural products like this Hemp Seed Healing Balm. In this video, you'll learn how to make a balm that will soothe overworked and tired joints and muscles using the power of hemp seed oil and essential oils. This recipe comes from our Home Remedies box. It gives you the key ingredients you need to make this healing balm. Many store-bought balms rely on harmful chemicals and artificial fragrances, compromising the healing benefits your body needs. This recipe uses the power of natural ingredients so you can feel good about what you're using and give your body that natural nudge towards health. Plus, you get to experience the joy of making. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this hemp seed healing balm together. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure that you know as Simply Earth, we're obsessed with making it super easy to make your own DIY products. That's why you can get the ingredients you need to make your own natural products delivered straight to your door with our recipe box. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. This box comes with 6 natural recipes, including this healing balm recipe we're making right now. You can also find the ingredients I talk about in this video at simplyearth.com. I'm gonna grab my ingredients from the Simply Earth DIY Home Remedies box. For this recipe, you will need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. This comes from your big bonus box. It is naturally moisturizing. 2 teaspoons of beeswax. This is gonna give us our balm-like consistency. 30 drops of palmarosa essential oil. 20 drops of tangerine essential oil. And 20 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. 2 teaspoons of hemp seed oil. From your home, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch is going to help our balm feel less greasy. It also makes a slightly thicker consistency, so it'll work in a push-up tube container like this. These are available at simplyearth.com. Subscribers get a 10% discount plus free shipping when it's added to your recipe box. If you don't have something like this, you can also make this recipe in a jar. First, we're gonna melt together our beeswax and solid coconut oil. This makes up the bulk of the consistency of our balm. These ingredients are naturally hydrating and moisturizing. You can melt this using the double boiler method or using 30-second intervals in the microwave. Now we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of hemp seed oil. This is going to turn our balm to be a vibrant green color due to its natural colorants. Hemp seed oil is really great at soothing tired muscles and joints. I'm going to give this a quick stir, and then we'll add our other natural powerful ingredients, our essential oils. We'll add 20 drops of palmarosa and 25 drops of tangerine and 20 drops of eucalyptus. So stir these ingredients together to make sure those essential oils are fully diluted throughout the mixture. Smells really good. Not only are these oils great for supporting muscles and joints, they're also great for easy breathing. Now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. This is gonna make my mixture a little bit thicker and also helps make balms like this feel less greasy. Depending on how hot your mixture is down here, adding the cornstarch might cause your mixture to start to solidify. If that happens, you can just melt it in the microwave using really short intervals until it's just melted. You'll want to stir this until you have a nice smooth mixture, looking for any clumps of cornstarch that you can smush out with your spatula. I'll be pouring my balm into a push-up tube from Simply Earth. It's got this round circular bottom that can get pushed up as you use the product. If you have one of these, make sure that the base is at the bottom so it's ready to go. Now I'll pour my balm into here. Kind of looks like orange juice right now. And this color is due to the natural pigments in hemp seed oil and in our essential oils. Now we'll let this balm cool and then it'll be ready to be used. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to help it cool a little bit faster. It can also be cooled at room temperature. Once it's cooled, it will look like this. Sometimes this round circle can get kind of caught on the product that was poured in. And if it does, I like to take a roll-on like this and I'll push this up to help loosen it, and then it'll move really easily once you've gotten that. Let's test it out. I have been struggling with some lower back pain, so that's where I am going to apply this healing balm. It's going to melt on the skin and feel cooling and soothing. It's also really moisturizing, and as it melts on the skin, it will create a little layer of oil that will absorb into the skin, but it also makes a great surface for a massage. So for example, if you wanted to massage your neck, you could apply this to your neck and then gently massage for a nice, relaxing, soothing experience. And you can make this too. Subscribe to the Simply Earth DIY Home Remedies box to get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe delivered straight to your door. I love to see your creations, so when you make this recipe, take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth, and you'll automatically be entered into a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. You can learn more about this in the description box below. Like this video and follow for more.